in LA next couple days, my dude. As soon as I get there, I'ma get at you. I know y'all niggas got me. Straight bullets, that's what the fucking business is. Godzilla, signing out for now. Be calm. Psycho realm, nigga.
Playtime, automatic, exchange is cinematic. These kids got a problem, they just point the flame at it. Intoxicated by the hood, man, I've been an addict. Watch your step, any wrong move will get your brains splattered. Cold blood fuse me and makes my veins freeze. And that's how the trigger became my main squeeze. On the block where you could get shot by KBs, while the cops make deals hoping they can sway G's. Where the fuck did the loyalty go? These rats spoiled the code, the name on paper, now they're spoiling the code. Paranoia from snoring the coat got me thinking everybody that's around me here reporting the low. Double agents in the street war, crumble agents of what we call code of honor between those that breach law. Whatever happened to them good old days where you took it to the grave or you got put away? Though the days have passed and they seem strange, hey, always feel better when things do change. These are different times and they don't make you like they used to. People lost touch with loyalty, what would you do? It all seems insane. The code of the street just quickly rearranged. These are different times and they don't make them like they used to. How could you be loyal to the world when they abuse you?
They try to kill us all. That's why I carry heaters often. Cause I ain't gonna be stuffed up in no FEMA coffin, or in some death camp gas chamber wheezing coffin, or in some cattle trailer shack or belly breathing starving. Life's a blood sport, so much bad blood. I don't wet motherfuckers no more, I flash flood. Wish I ride away in my tomb sick, I'm too sick. My barrels look like 2 barrels tied to a broomstick. I'm a fucking boss clown, ain't gotta kick doors no more, this shit's knocking walls down. 2 shotty drama, 2 body llama, 2 K's in the trunk riding around, hitting switches in full body armor now.
Dissolve on the track, my garment black. Street disciples talk to this straight to go for straps. We ain't playing feds, got statements who author that. My guess is you been snitching, you can all get clapped. We in a new world, drug market, it's all for stats. You marked as a target snatch, off the radar with the longest gags. Drawn corner terminate when the options slack. There's no future, y'all fade to black.
Days have passed and they seem strange, hey, always feel better when things do change. These are different times and they don't make you like they used to. People lost touch with loyalty, what would you do? It all seems insane. The code of the street just quickly rearranged. These are different times and they don't make them like they used to. How could you be loyal to the world when they abuse you?
I'm coming the food chain like a chain link fence. I'm guerrilla warfare, your diapers on chimps. Punchlines swell you to the size of blimps. You gouge out eyes from a glimpse. Fractured psyches, skulls and splits. Flows pepper spray, yo it's peppermint. I'm the leading cause of dismemberment. When I jump in like gang member shit, use your breastplate for a dinner dish. Beating senseless, all I hear is gibberish. When I've been spines as easy as licorice. It's hard for a photographer to picture it. Sick jacking, invisible constituents. Silent murders, assassins are inconspicuous.
It's a cold world where we eat strange fruit. You can get killed for change out the exchange suit. Change suits like spades cause we make flames too. Get sprayed from the roof of bulletproof H2s. Make do with what we got, motherfuckers pay dues. I'll take 2 of those, you've been chose by Jesus. There's blood on my suede shoes, DNA on my house strips. Some outfits outrageous, the ranges and out.
The days have passed and they seem strange, hey, always feel better when things do change. These are different times and they don't make you like they used to. People lost touch with loyalty, what would you do? It all seems insane. The code of the street just quickly rearranged. These are different times and they don't make them like they used to. How could you be loyal to the world when they abuse you?
So the story goes